Yes, good afternoon, students. I am Sudhir Prasad Roy from DAV Public School, MTPS Kanti, Muzaffarpur. Here, I am going to start the exercise against the properties of division of rational numbers. Yesterday, we had discussed about the properties of division of rational number. The exercise worksheet 5C is based on the properties of division of rational number. Okay, so the first question is divide 2 by 5 by minus 1 by 3. So we have written 2 by 5 divided by minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 5. You know, this divide when changes into multiplication, then minus 1 by 3 will become 3 by minus 1. That is 3 to the 6, 6 by 5 minus 5, and so we multiply the numerator and denominator by minus 1 to bring it into a standard form. So here 6 into minus 1 is equal to minus 6, and minus 5 into minus 1 is equal to 5. So the answer is minus 6 by 5. Similarly, other questions are there based on the same pattern, and I think you can do the other questions also of question number 1. Question number 2 is like this. By taking x is equal to 3 by 4 and y is equal to minus 5 by 6, verify that x divided by y is not equal to y divided by x. So here let us see LHS. We have to verify, therefore we will take the LHS and RHS. The LHS is x divided by y, that is 3 by 4 from here, and divided by y, value of y is minus 5 by 6. Here it may become 3 by 4 into 6 by minus 5, and so after simplification, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, we are having 3 into 3 9, 9 by minus 10. We convert it into a standard form by multiplying minus 1 the numerator and denominator also by minus 1, and so we are having minus 9 by 10. So the LHS is minus 9 by 10. Now let us switch over to RHS. RHS is y divided by x, that is minus 5 by 6 divided by 3 by 4 from here x. So minus 5 by 6 divided by 3 by 4, that is equal to minus 5 by 6 into 4 by 3. So here 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, and so we are having minus 10 by 9. And the RHS is equal to minus 10 by 9. What do we observe? Minus 9 by 10 is not equal to minus 10 by 9. Minus 9 by 10, it is LHS, and RHS is minus 10 by 9. So minus 10 by 9, since minus 10 by 9, 9 by 10, is not equal to minus 10 by 9. That is, LHS is not equal to RHS. This means that x divided by y, this shows that x divided by y is not equal to y divided by x, hence verified. Okay, now let us see another question. That is, the question is here, the product of two rational numbers is minus 3 by 7. If one of them is 5 by 21, find the other. The product of two rational numbers is minus 3 by 7, and one of them, the numbers is 5 by 21, find the other. Here, let the other number be equal to x. Let the other number be equal to x. Therefore, 5 by 21 into x, 5 by 21 into x should be equal to minus 3 by 7. एक नंबर माइनस 3 बाई 7 दिया हुआ है, प्रोडक्ट है माइनस 3 बाई, दो नंबर है उसको गुना करते हैं तो माइनस 3 बाई 7 आता है. एक नंबर 5 बटे 21 है, तो दूसरा नंबर पूछ रहा है क्या होगा. मान लिया कि दूसरा नंबर x है, तो 5 बटे 21 गुना x या किसके बराबर होना चाहिए, माइनस 3 बाई 7 के बराबर. सो देन 5 बाई 21 इंटू एक्स, it should be equal to minus 3 by 7. And here x is equal to 5 by 21 into x is equal to minus 3 by 7. Then x is equal to minus 3 by 7 divided by 5 by 21. Let us see here. Just take a hint. You have seen 5 into x. Suppose 5 into x barabar 20. Then what is x? X is equal to 20 divided by 5. You know this. You have learned about it well in class 5 only, 6 only. 5x is equal to 20. Then x is equal to 20 divided by 5. Okay. Similarly is here 5 by 21 into x is equal to minus 3 by 7. Then what will be the value of x? The value of x will be minus 3 by 7 divided by 5 by 20, like here. 20 divided by coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? 5. Similarly, what is the coefficient of x? 5 by 21. Therefore, x will be equal to minus 3 by 7 divided by 5 by 21. And here minus 3 by 7, it will be converted into multiplication, and then it will become to minus 3 by 7 into 21 by 5. 7 3 are 21. So here it is minus 3 into 3 minus 9 by 5. Therefore, value of x is equal to minus 9 by 5. And what we have assumed x to be? We have assumed x to be the other number. So the other number is minus 9 by 5, and it is your answer. Any problem? Another question is, by taking x is equal to minus 5 by 3, y is equal to 2 by 7, z barabar minus 1 by 4, verify that x divided by whole y plus z is not equal to x divided by y plus x divided by z. We had studied about this, that distributive law doesn't hold true in division of rational number. We have studied yesterday. Similarly, here also LHS, putting value of x, y and z in LHS, we have LHS is equal to x divided by y plus z whole is equal to minus 5 by 3, value of x minus 5 by 3 divided by y is equal to 2 by 7 plus z is equal to minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. It is 1 by minus 4 was there perhaps. So it is 2 by 7 plus minus 1 by 4. Z in question perhaps z barabar it was minus z barabar 1 by minus 4. Here we have written minus 1 by 4. It should be z barabar 1 by minus 4. So 1 by minus 4 is converted into a standard form, and it will become 2 by 7 plus minus 1 by minus 4 into minus 1, 4. So here it is minus 5 by 3 divided by 2 by 7 minus 1 by 4. We have taken the LCM, solved the bracket and the numbers under bracket. So minus 5 by 3 divided by 7 into 4. LCM is 21. 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. And 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4 is equal to 7. 7 into 1 minus 7. And it is equal to minus 5 by 3, and here 1 by 28. Now minus 5 by 3, this will multiply by 28 by 1. And so lastly minus 5 into 28, 100 minus 140 by 3. So LHS is minus 140 by 3. Now let us see the RHS. RHS is x divided by y plus x divided by z. So value of x is minus 5 by 3 divided by 2 by 7 and plus minus 5 by 3 divided by 1 by minus 4. Now see, minus 5 by 3 is there into 2 by 7. When it is converted into multiplication, it will become 7 by 2 plus minus 5 by 3, and this will be multiplied by minus 4 by 1. So we are having minus 35 by 6 and plus minus 5 into minus 4 न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से गुना कर देते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से गुना करते हैं। अगर कोई ऊपर नीचे कैंसिल होने वाला कटने वाला नंबर नहीं हो तो -5 गुना -4 20/3। नाउ वी टेक द एलसीएम 6 and 3, it is 6 and 6 1 जा 6, 1 into -35, 3 2 जा 6 and 2 into 20 is equal to 40. So here subtracting 40 minus 35, it is equal to 5/6. Here we see that LHS is -140/3 and RHS is equal to 5/6, and it is clear that -140/3 is not equal to 5/6. That is, LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence, x divided by whole y plus z is not equal to x divided by y plus x divided by z. Clear? Now the last question, I think it is a little bit different from that of other, but is based on the process of division. Let us see. Let from a piece of 40 meter length, rope of 40 meter length, a man cuts some equal pieces. How many pieces can be cut if each piece is of 4/9 meters? एक 40 मीटर लंबी रस्सी है ना, उसको एक आदमी बराबर बराबर टुकड़ों में उसको बांटना चाहता है ना, बराबर बराबर टुकड़ों में इस प्रकार से बांटना चाहता है कि उसके एक पीस की लंबाई 4/9 मीटर है। अब बताइए, मान लिया जाए 40 मीटर है और उसको अगर बराबर पीस में बांटना चाहता है कि एक पीस की लंबाई 5 मीटर हो, तो कितने पीस होंगे? 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज इक्वल टू 8 पीस होंगे। उसी प्रकार हमें इसमें वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ पीसेस. लेट द नंबर ऑफ पीसेस बी इक्वल टू एक्स. नंबर ऑफ पीसेस बी इक्वल टू एक्स एंड लेंथ ऑफ ईच पीस यानी वन पीस इक्वल टू 4/9 मीटर. ठीक है, एक पीस की लंबाई 4/9 है और टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीस इक्वल पीस है ना, एक्स है. तो व्हाट इज द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द पीस? 4/9 इंटू एक्स मीटर. 4/9 इंटू एक्स. बात नहीं आई समझ में? ठीक है, अगर मान लिया जाए कि टोटल 10 पीस है और एक पीस की लंबाई 5 मीटर है तो कितना हो जाएगा? 4 मीटर है तो 40 मीटर होगा. 10 गुना 4. उसी प्रकार से टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीस एक्स है और एक पीस की लंबाई 4/9 मीटर है. तो टोटल लेंथ ऑफ टोटल पीस, सभी पीस का लेंथ क्या हो जाएगा? 4/9 इंटू एक्स. 4x/9 मीटर. अब ये किसके बराबर है भाई? ये दिस इज इक्वल टू 40 मीटर, क्योंकि रोप की लंबाई 40 मीटर है, उसी को काटा गया डिफरेंट पीसेस में. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 4/9x बराबर 40. देयरफॉर हियर 4x इज इक्वल टू 9 इंटू 40. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, आपको मालूम है क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऐसे होता है. 4x इंटू 1 9 इंटू 40. 4x इंटू 1 इज इक्वल टू 9 इंटू 40. So 4x is equal to 40 into 9, then x is equal to 40 into 9/4. So 40 is divided by 4, it is 10 into 9, is 10 into 9 is equal to 90. So total number of equal pieces is equal to 90. Correct? All of you understood? If you want, see 90 into 4/9. What will happen? 9 into 10 is equal to 40 मीटर. 40 हो रहा है. 90 पीस है और एक पीस की लंबाई 4/9 मीटर है, तो टोटल लंबाई क्या हो जाएगी? 40 मीटर. सो योर आंसर इज दिस 9 मीटर. सो आई थिंक I have discussed all the difficult or the important questions of the worksheet 5 from your 5C worksheet 5 of your standard 7th mathematics book being taught in DAV public schools, and that is under your syllabus. And the properties of division has completed, and I think I am hopeful that you will do the other questions well properly. And if you have any problem, you may consult me on my phone number. That is, I am giving my phone number. Phone number or WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number. Phone number or WhatsApp number, you may consult me. And so till then I am going to stop my lecture. We will see, I will again be present tomorrow with the other exercise and with another topic. So till then, thank you and have a nice day. The problems of this exercise will be sent on your Snap homework. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay.